Welcome to our quick guide on how to turn off Facebook notifications for reminders on your PC. Facebook has recently updated its interface, making it easier than ever to manage your notification settings. If you're tired of constant reminders popping up, follow these simple steps to regain control of your Facebook experience. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a bell icon. This is your notification center. Click on this bell icon to open your notifications panel. Next, in the notifications panel, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner. These dots represent additional options for managing your notifications. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Notifications Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize all aspects of your Facebook notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the Reminders section. Here's where the magic happens. Click on Reminders to expand the options. You'll see a toggle switch next to Allow Notifications on Facebook. Simply click this toggle to switch it off. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off notifications for reminders on Facebook. No more constant pings about events, birthdays, or other reminders that you may not want to see. Remember, you can always come back to this settings page if you want to turn reminders back on or adjust other notification preferences. Facebook gives you the flexibility to customize your experience, so don't be afraid to explore other options while you're here. We hope this guide has been helpful in making your Facebook experience less intrusive and more enjoyable. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.